Hey guys, what's up? So it is the 29th of November. Yesterday was the 28th. I took a trade yesterday and I lost. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys, tell you what I saw. You let me know if you think it makes sense or not. Alright? I will tell you as well, I also made a mistake in that I should not have been trading. Because when I entered the trade, I was actually having a somewhat of a debate with my wife. Right, and I definitely was not in the right frame of mind. This is just to kind of let you know that there is a human element to these things, right? You can have the best setup, you can have the best technique. If you're not in the right frame of mind, it does not matter, right? So what I saw, well, on gold, this is obviously gold, right? I could say that the 15-minute time frame is bearish, right? Creating lower lows and lower highs. Now when I go to the daily, I would say gold is also very much bearish. This is the only thing here that somewhat broke the structure on gold, where it was actually creating lower highs, and this broke and creates a higher high, right? And now even a higher low. Now, I know that gold for the entire year, based on what you're seeing here, has been bearish. And I'm thinking that it's going to follow suit. The only thing I'm saying, I don't want to buy this because obviously it's not clear for a buy yet, right? So I'm going to continue to look for sells because that is my law. My law is to not go against the momentum unless a reversal is clear, right? So then I jumped to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, I had this little zone here. This zone, what it did for me was I wanted to see price break above this. I even had a drawing yesterday, I believe. Yeah, if I find it, I'll post a picture of it here. And basically what I wanted to see was gold break up and then continue up, and if it failed to do that, then it's likely to drop down. So cool, right? It actually failed and it dropped back down. Coming on the 1 hour, you could actually see bear momentum coming extremely aggressive, and I say, all right, nice, no problem, that's good. And all I want to see now is price retest this zone and come back into bear momentum, and then it's in here I would look for my sell, because that's what I want, right? I want price to come, retest, and then start to go back in momentum, and it is in here is where I would look for the sell. So said, so done. It actually came right back up to the area that I had in question, which would have been this, and then the very next candle actually did that. What I then proceeded to do was go to the lower time frame and look for my entry, and you know something? That exactly was my entry there, because look at what it did. It went back up, it retested, it came back down, gave me my entry, and I sold there. Now, I did this, and I put my 10 pip stop loss, and I went to bed. I went to bed. I didn't open back empty for after that. I did not have a target. I am just leaving it, letting it run wild, right? In hopes that it gives me maybe 1 to 6, 1 to 8, whatever, right? And then it drops. It drops maybe just about, how many pips is that? Maybe about 20. Cool. What does it do? Does it come back to take me out? Yes, it does. And interestingly enough, I was wrong, right? My entry was good. Everything about what I did, I feel like I did it the right way. I don't think that there was anything else I could have done other than the fact that I could have probably stayed away from the market, knowing that maybe I'm taking a trade because I'm upset because of said debate or whatever. I don't think I was in the right frame of mind. That is the only thing I think I did wrong. What do you think? Comment below, what do you think? Do you agree with my analysis? Do you disagree? Do you feel like gold was showing signs that it was going up? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe if you want to see more like this. I do this very often, where I try to showcase when I lose or talk about when I lose. I'm not afraid to speak about that. And yeah, comment below what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.